Hello, I'm Sylvia the Crafty Old Lady, and this is the view outside my front window today. I wish you could see those mountains right there, because they look like they're dusted with powdered sugar. I don't know if I can get a better close-up view of them. Let's get this weed out of the way. I don't know if you can see it any better, but that's the view outside my window on December 11th. 2023, and it's garbage day, as you can see. Alright, so I realized that I forgot to post a video for December 9th, and I posted it a day late. I skipped Saturday and posted Saturdays on Sunday, and so today is Monday, and I'm posting, well, I'm filming on the 11th, but my 10th one is going out. I'm probably going to try to get this 11th done real quick today and actually post my day 10 and 11 on the same day so I can get caught up. And I don't have too many ideas for today, so I thought I would just put together this little snowman craft kit that I had gotten. There was like 6 or 7 of them in the packet, and I got them for my daughter and grandkids to make, and there was one left, so I can make one, and we'll put that together. I'll get all the parts ready, and then we'll put it together and put it in the book, and that'll be my day 11. Alright, so we'll do that, get this put together, get all my components ready, and I'll be back. Got my little Santa here. Obviously I'm not going to do it on that side, so I think I have him going in the right direction. I think his hat, I don't need to worry about punching the hole out because I'm not hanging that up. But I believe his hat goes here. We have his eyes. And I'm guessing this is his nose. Here's his mustache. I have no idea what this is. This, I'm sure, goes here. I don't know what these things are. I don't know. I don't have the picture. Maybe that's like that. Can't imagine it being any other way, going anywhere else. Maybe this is like a little holly leaf. I don't know what this, oh, this is a scarf, maybe? I don't know. I have no idea what these are for. Is this his face? A little, oh yeah, maybe that's his face. Like that. Like that. And then we put the eyes. Well, we're going to be designing our own little Santa here. Let's see. Put this up a little bit. Yeah, I think that looks pretty good. And then I'll figure out this other stuff, but I really don't think I'm going to figure out what these little strips are for. So let's go ahead. I'm going to put his hat down. I'm not sure if I should use tacky glue or fabric glue, but it is sort of like fabric, so let's do that. Let's use fabric glue. Oh. Alright, and this one's going to go right here. I can't imagine putting the snowflakes anywhere but on his hat, or they wouldn't even show up, I wouldn't think. Oh, I hope your day has been going well. and you're happy and healthy and safe. Okay, eyeballs. Did you have snow last night like we did? I don't think it was enough for my daughter and daughter-in-law to have a day off from school, though. They're both teachers. And I just got to figure out, I think we'll do it like that. I think that looks good, so the mustache is going to go down first. I need to get boots. I have not needed boots for a long time, and now that I'm walking the dog in every day, since my husband got a part-time job, I walk the dog more during the day than I used to, and definitely more now in the snow. So I'm going to need boots. I don't know if this is sticking. I guess it is. Oh, I forgot this. I forgot. Let's do that. I don't know if that's where it's really supposed to go, but it seems logical. It fits. And let's put this back on. I wonder if the tacky glue would work better. There's that. Oops. I think that looks pretty good so far, but I feel like it's not sticking very well. And I'm not really sure what to do with all this stuff. Is it supposed to be like on his hat? I really don't know what this is, and so I'm just going to leave it, but I am going to put the snowflakes on his hat. There. There. And I feel like that would just look weird. I got these from Dollar Tree. I don't think I'm going to put those on. I think we're going to leave Santa as is. So now I'm going to get my journal out. I'm going to put Santa right on here. And we'll get a number. Probably a red number today. Yep. So that's it. I used to think I wanted to live in Florida. Yeah, that's not sticking there at all. But I would, because it would be warm all year and you could be outside more. But it gets so hot there, I still don't think I would be outside more. And that would drive me insane. I think his eye fell off. Yeah, these are not sticking. I think I'm definitely need to stick into the paper, okay, but not not the felt. I guess the tacky glue would have been a better choice. Let's fix that. Yeah, I wouldn't want to be stuck inside because it's too hot, you know what I mean? That one's sticking, and that's sticking. Everything else seems to be, oh, we don't want that there. Everything else seems to be sticking. Let's get a red hopefully I have 2 red number 1s. But, yeah, I can see them already. That's great. Alright. So, like I said, today is, I'm filming, it's the 11th, so I'm going to put 2 of these up today, and I'll be all caught up. And then I want to do something here on the 12th, and for this white blank page, I have all my wrapping papers from various years, and these are very vintage. These were from when I was a kid. They were in my mother's stash, this one and this one. I'm going to make a patchwork with that. And I also have this vintage paper that I have used for years. I cut it up and make journaling cards and things like that. Journal covers. I will use one of these to be the focal point on top of all the wrapping paper. So I think maybe I'll put something like this in the middle, because otherwise it'll be kind of clashy and too busy. So anyway, I got to figure out for number 12. This will be number 13, and I hope you're doing well. Hope you're happy, healthy, and safe. And we'll see you again tomorrow. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.